Today I would like to share with you our latest deployed CPC platform for passive income. So currently, as you can see here on the screen, the UI is very simple, and it will currently displayed here the latest blog posts available. And as you can see in the screen, there are two ways to log in here. First, the user can register before they can log in. So let me, by the way, before we will go to the registration, I would like to say that this latest insights here, whatever we displayed in here, is available if we are going to search for anything. Let's say, for example, that I would like to search for SEO. I'm gonna type here SEO. I'm gonna hit enter. So all the blog posts that are related for SEO will be displayed in the search. So now let's go to the get started button. So here you can see there are two ways to register. One is to add your name, email, and the password, and then you hit the register button. And the other one is the easiest way is to sign up with Google here. So let's do this one here. As soon as you click on that, it will redirect you to a verification page. Now in this case, since I am already logged in with my Google Gmail account, so I just would like to click this email that I would like to use. And after that, we can continue. Okay, so the verification is successful. The registration is also successful. Now, as you can see here on the dashboard, it's quite empty right now because the profile that is created is also new. So before that, there is a profile page in here. So in here you can see your name and your current email being registered, and then if you want to update your password in here, you can also do that. And there is a delete account at the bottom if you wanted to delete your own account. And then if we go back to the dashboard, so you see there is four major buttons in here. You can see there's a billing dashboard, manage affiliates, manage topics, and write your own blog post. So let's say, for example, guys, that I would like to create a blog post that is related for an AI. Let's say I have a customer, I have a client that wanted to advertise with me. So I will just click here, manage affiliates. Okay, and then manage affiliates in, we can just add here our affiliation link. So just click here, get started now button, or there is another button on top of it. So just click on it. So let's say, for example, we're gonna write a blog post related to AI integration, like that. And then this is for example only. Let's say that the website of the company or the clients that wanted to be advertised, this is their website. And then let's say we have agreed that for every click that we generated, the client will pay, for example, a 1.5 for that. And then for now, let's just use a Philippine peso currency, but we also have a USD dollar currency if the client is overseas. And then we can hit the save affiliate link here. So that will be added in here in a monetization links. Now we are ready to proceed with creating our topics. So in here we can add a topic, like for example, I'm gonna say AI integrations in here, or probably I'm gonna change it to, let's say, for example, benefits of AI, right? AI in systems, for example, like that. Once you are satisfied with the topic name, you can just create topic here. Then you'll be redirected again on this page. So just go to the dashboard, and now you see you have successfully added your topic. Now let's go to write a new post. So let's just click on that, and then you can add your title again here. I'm gonna add this as a title. Let's say benefits of AI to improve business processes. Okay, this is only for example. So in the topic, we can select now in the drop down. This is the topic we have created just a while ago. And then in the affiliation link, if we don't have an affiliation link, we have a link here that we can use to add the new link. But since we already created it ahead of time, so we can just click the drop down and select AI integrations. And then for the image, so let's say we have the option, the image is actually optional. You can write a post without image, but having an image will greatly make your blog post effective, especially that this platform already integrated SEO on this. So that means if you have an image added, it will make the blog post boosted. So I'm gonna click this choose file here. I'm gonna go with AI integration image. So by the way, this image I have added here as an example is, I just get that from Google. So I'm just gonna add a note here that this image is supposed to be, the owner of this one is, I don't know the owner, but I'm just gonna write a comment here that says image credits to the rightful owner. And then let's say that this is the example blog post we have. So of course you can add anything in here. Probably you can add your email if you want, email if you have another email here, or a mobile number like that, or a website, for example. So basically we can just add anything that we would like to add in our blog post, so our customers or viewers can see. And then as soon as you are satisfied with all of this content, then just click the publish post. So it will redirect to a single blog post page here. As you can see on the left side is the image and the title above, the date it is posted, and the user who posted it. And as you can see, we have a return button here to go back to the right to the dashboard. We also have two buttons available below, which is to copy the post link, so you can paste it anywhere in your social media, whether you are using Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, anywhere. And you can also copy the affiliation link that you have used just a while ago. So as you can see, there is the blog post here, and then the contents are also have a nice, very looking UI here. So as you can see, if you scroll down a little bit, we have this curated excellence. This is where the magic happens, because if you click on this one, you will see that, or if the customer or viewers will click on this, that means that that click is already being counted. Okay, so and another one, at the bottom there is an option for the viewers or for the users to comment whatever they would like to add comments. They can reach out to you, and then you will reach out to them back in the comment section. Okay, so by the way, I have opened this since this is already posted. And then if we go back to the dashboard, you see that the recent post we have added is already in here. Okay, so as you can see in the sources we have here available, if you hover above here in the sources column, you can see it was posted 1 minute ago, the topics we have, and then the title. And then if we hover above here, we see we have a view details. So before we click on the view details, we also have an edit and delete buttons available. Okay, so if you click on the if you click on the view details link, you see that there is no log here currently, because nobody clicked on our blog post yet. However, if we go back here on our another incognito page, we can see we have a view all posts in here. So we can see we have this AI benefits of AI to improve business processes. So this is the latest blog post we have added. So if I click on this one here, so I can see this, and now I can see AI integrations. Now since I am in the incognito window, I cannot comment in here because I need to be logged in first before I can comment. And then I can click on the AI integrations, so that will redirect the viewers or the user to the affiliated links you have added on your blog post. So if we go back here on our dashboard, if we refresh our page, now we can see that we have here recorded here the date and the time of the click happened, the country origins and the IP address it originated, and then the referrer, and then what the browser system being used. So if we go back to the dashboard, now we have seen that in under the views column of our dashboard, you see we have one click in here. Now the good thing about this platform, guys, is that it currently have added a feature to block the robot or the bot from robot or bot cannot just click there in the blog post, click on this one to, let's say, to add 5 clicks right away, all at once. It's not possible because we have that security added, and it will also verify if that click is valid or not, and then it will log the result in our system. As you can see, we now see if we get back to our view details column, now we have this page. Now let's say this platform is going to count how many clicks we have for each of our posts in 1 month, and let's say that we have gathered 100 clicks as a result of our marketing system. We have gathered 100 clicks in 1 month. Then that's the time you can bill your clients. You can just go here in the billing tab on the upper section of our navigation area, and then as you can see here, we have one total monthly earnings says 1.5, but this is still based on one valid clicks out of a total 1 logs for February. Of course, you can click the billing here, and then it will log here how many total logs we have for click, and then how many valid clicks, then that will be displayed here. So let's say we have 100 clicks, but the only valid click for that one is only, let's say, 50. Then 50 clicks will be added in here. Okay, and then the amount earned, that will be, this one will be automatically calculated depending on how many billed clicks we have. And then once you are satisfied with that and it's already ready for billing, then just click the send billing button in here. So as you can see, we have an option in here to write the target recipient email, right? And then we also have this target payment receiver email actually. So currently our system is capable of handling billings or handling payment through PayPal. So once you click the generate PayPal link in here, it will redirect you to your PayPal account so that you can you can send your billing to your client. Okay, so in the future we are going to integrate here we are going to plan we are already planning to add here more or other ways to send billings to customers, not only PayPal. Okay, so that will be added in the future. All right, so everyone is allowed, everyone is encouraged to try and use our platform. And then for any questions you may have, just feel free to reach out to our company and message us directly, and we will answer your inquiries. Thank you very much everyone for watching.